Kopi Sanangan and hello everyone, welcome to Thesis in 5 minutes, and I'm Stefanus from University Malaysia Sabah. I'd like to present with you all with my research, the magic of Carton innovation to teach note value in music for visual impaired primary school students. Enjoy my presentation. You know what is this? This is note value in music, semi-brief, meaning, crochet, and quiver. This is one of the most important elements need to know and need to learn in music education, especially in level 2 primary school, either in government school, in public school, or in special need school. They need to know the notes value because they need to apply in playing instrument like recorder or percussion or anything else, and they need to apply also in creating a melody, simple rhythm, and playing music. That's why the notes value is very important. Imagine that you are blind, and I imagine that I am blind and I am using the blindfold. How to teach the notes value for the blind student or visual impaired student? For us who can see, it's very easy because we can see the difference from the shape of the notes value that I showed you before. But how about the visual impaired? It's very difficult for them to understand what's going on, to visual what is the notes value, what is semi-brief, what is meaning, what is crochet, what is quiver. Then that's why I invented the Carton innovation to help them in the easy way through the most important element learning process by using the touch sensory, helping by the audio. They can understand the notes value in the easier way. That's the magic of Carton innovation from me. Here the Carton innovation that I shared you before. This is being invented to help the visual impaired student to understand and to learn the notes value in the easier way. So here is for the semi-brief, the longest notes value in music, and then meaning, and then we have crochet, and then we have quiver. So this one, by using the tactile or the touch sensory, help the student, visual impaired student, to understand and learn notes value in the easy way. So what my aim in my research? The first one, I want to help my student, the visual impaired student, to help them to recognize the difference between notes value, semi-brief, meaning, crochet, and quiver, and to help them to understand and apply in playing music instrument like recorder, percussion, or any music instrument, or either in applying in creating a simple music, simple rhythm, or in singing. So my second aim is to build a guidance to help the other educator or researcher how to help the visual impaired student in the music class. Because in Malaysia, it's very difficult and lack information how to teach the visual impaired student in the music class. In my research, I use 3 types of methodology to collect my data. The first one, I using the questionnaire to review the knowledge student understanding about notes value before and after using the Carton innovation. My second method is I'm using observation by observing the student or the whole process of the research from the beginning until the end of the research. My third method, I'm using interview the student to see what their point of view from before using the Carton innovation and after Carton innovation, and how they are understanding after they're using the Carton innovation about the note value. In my research, it's not only helping the visual impaired student by understanding, by learning in the easy way the notes value by using the magic of Carton innovation, but also help other educator, other researcher how to build a better, excellent daily learning process of visual impaired student by focusing on tactile or touch sensory. Not only focusing on music subject, but other subject also is very useful. Thank you for listening what I'm sharing with you. If you have a comment or have a suggestion with my research, do email me, let me know. Thank you. Ketuhanan.